dripping off the ceiling. City shadows on your skin. Crystal glasses softly breathing. Let the night begin. Slow burn rhythm in the background. Heartbeat in the baseline flow. No need words when we're surrounded by this afterglow. Champagne whispers, golden air, silhouettes without a care. Time moves slower in this room, floating in perfume. We don't rush, we let it ride. Velvet hours, side by side. Midnight melting into spark, we own the dark. Smooth and slow, no need to prove. Just a body in the groove, underneath the neon spark. Velvet after dark. Velvet after dark. Tailored suits and satin dresses. Reflections in the chrome. Every glance leaves little traces, like we're not alone. Brush drums dancing with the silence. Saxophone across the floor.